Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send Robux to your friends from your mobile. So we are just going to start by opening up the Roblox application. Click on the more section here in the bottom right corner and go to the create option, and in the create section just click on creations here, any of your creations. Just click on that and now click back on the navigation bar here and click on the passes here. Just click on it and scroll down and create a pass, and here I can write as sample pass ABCD whatever, and click on create pass. You can see the pass is showing here. So just click on the pass, and here in the top navigation bar just click on the sales. Make sure to turn on this item for sale here and click on the price. Type the price here and keep this thing in your mind that the 70% profit will be going to you and the 30% will go to the Roblox. So once you have set a price, just press save changes and click on proceed. Now the next thing you need to do is go and open an internet browser and make sure to click on continue in browser. Once you have signed into your account, click on your profile icon. Once you have signed into your account, click on your profile icon, and on the top of this navigation, click on the creations. Then scroll down and click on the creations, any of the creation, and then you can see the store here. Just click on the store, and you can see your pass here. Just click on the pass, and here you can see the pass and their inventory. So just click on this path, copy this path, and send it to your friend just by copying this. So this is how you can send Robux to your friend. Just copy the link and then send it to your friend. When the other person clicks this link, once they have purchased your game pass, so if you click the Roblox option here, you can see the my transactions here, and you can see your transaction history here and incoming Robux here, so and pending Robux as well. Sometimes it can take a couple of days to go and reach your account. So this is it. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos.